Entonces no se puede llenar de worms sino hasta aquí.
Ah, bueno.
Para que puedan comer, porque si no aquí se va a salir todo.
Ay.
Ahí está.
Bueno, pero está bien,
Pero
¿cierto?
no se puede arreglar porque ni idea.
Pues echamos poquitos mejor.
Claro,
Así nos rinde más.
así sabemos.
Claro, mamá, y nos rinde. ¡Ay, mira el cardenal! Oh my God, you guys, did you see the cardinals? I'm out here on camera, so I'm sure you guys, there was a cardinal right here. It just went that way to the left.
No, porque yo les eché.
Ay, mamá, hermosos. Pues, ¿les echaste más a donde fue?
Sí, todo le eché.
Look at my beautiful mom, look at my mom.
Y les eché mi pan que no, yo no como lo de ahí.
No, pero no quieres echarle bloodworms al cintrífono. Ay, mira, Nicolás. Oh my gosh. Mom, they know they're there. They know. Okay, guys, guess what I'm going to do? You guys are going to sit out here and watch my mom. Well, come on, Mom. I'll hold the cylinder for you. Because you know where to put it. You know where to fill it up to. We got this mealworms yesterday, you guys, because Wicked Angel was like, they like mealworms. They like mealworms. And I looked it up online, and Wicked Angel, you are absolutely right. They really do like mealworms. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. Okay. And these are real mealworms, and it's what the cardinals absolutely love. So now we're going to hook it back up again, and we have mealworms for the babies. So we can see more Nicholas. Nicholas, we want you to come visit us. Y ahora cómo se...
Ah,
Mama. Look, mealworms. Yay for mealworms. Okay, mamita hermosa. All right, look at her pretty nails. She did her nails. How beautiful.
they're all messed up now.
No, they look gorgeous. Okay, and now we just hang this up right here, you guys. My little thing from Dollar Tree. Okay,
Sí,
we will.
porque no solamente hay dos que pueden comer.
So, no, y ellos están esperando. Ellos están esperando. So,
Oh, just even they start.
well, thank you, Mommy. There they are. Look at this beautiful. Happy early New Year, everybody. Happy early New Year. Desde Colombia, porque somos colombianas. Look at that beautiful lady. She's gorgeous. Nicholas, we're waiting for you.